Well, so we have another train here at Willis. We have another train here at Willis. And we have that eastbound from Mishawaka, Indiana, coming up next. Thank you to Dale Pape for filming that eastbound in the group. So thank you to Dale Pape.
Oh, already.
We call him Dale Pipe. He must be moving out, isn't he?
Yeah. Well, this is our Sunday extravaganza, folks. We have no idea what we're about to see, but I think it might be a CP.
CP 131, say it.
CP 131, is that possible?
Yep. Oh, it's very old. That was an older Canada, Canadian Pacific. Did he just put his car in park?
What?
Did he just put it in park?
Yeah, I think. Turn it off.
Is there anybody behind me? Oh, that smell! Smell it!
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
Diesel?
It smells like burning rubber. Rubber tires are burning somewhere.
You mean his car is burning rubber? Is there anybody else behind me?
Yep, I don't know.
Look at it. Check how many? How many?
5, 6.
Tell the folks about our Sunday extravaganza.
This is our Sunday extravaganza, folks. If you're watching CP 131 make its way right now through Willis. At 507.
Right.
Here at Willis at 507.
Post it in the group.
Yep.
Look, it's Messenger. Next up is the one coming from Mishawaka, Indiana, which will be heading its way up here soon. I think the NS-121 is gonna end up having to stop in Belleville, but I'm not sure yet. Anyway, so that's it for right now.